Open Google Chrome, write PHET, then open Circuit Construction Kit, press on this link, then press on the lab. You will get this screen. Then you're going to make the electrical circuit. You need a battery, you need a switch, you need a light bulb. Then you will connect all this with the wires. You can see for every battery, bulb and switch you have two terminals. For every one you have two terminals. One will be connected to this one and another will be connected to this. One will be connected to this, another will be connected to this. Same way, one here and another here. Don't put here. Don't put here, put it here. Now the circuit is open. The current is not flowing. Close the circuit, the current is flowing, so the light bulb is on. The circuit is closed, the current is flowing. Open the switch, the current is not flowing. If you put this here, remove and put it here, then you can see the battery is burning. Don't put like this, it is wrong. So cut and put one here, another one here. This one is correct. You can increase the battery voltage. The more you increase, the light will be more, the brightness will be more. The more you increase the voltage, the brightness will be more. Thank you.